If you are a fellow stationery lover, journaler, you own way too many sticker sheets like I do, I think you're going to love this video because we are going to be unboxing and testing out a new tool that I am completely enamored with. This is the Liene PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. When Liene reached out to me about this product, I was honestly just so amazed because normally when you make stickers at home, you print them and then you need a separate cutting machine, but this is actually the world's first smart printer and cutter all in one machine. So we are going to do a little unboxing. I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly how this tool works, and then I have some spreads I want to make in my bullet journal and reading journal using this new tool so we can test it out together and I can give you guys my first impressions. Grab some tea or coffee, get cozy, and let's get into it. We're going to start with an unboxing, and a big thank you to Liene, of course, for sending me this new product, and they're also sponsoring this video. First of all, I love how everything is arranged to fit perfectly. On top here, these funky looking things are the ink cartridges, so they sent me a few of those. And then we have a few different packages of paper. This one looks like it's the 4x6 inches photo paper, and this label says that there's 72 sheets in here. Let's open it up to see what they look like. Interesting, I think they're actually a little longer than 6 inches, and there's perforations at the edges to tear off the excess. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now let's take a look at this next box. This one is the 4x7 inch photo and sticker paper. It looks very similar to the photo paper, it has the same finish I think, but this should be adhesive backed so we can cut it into stickers. Okay, now to the exciting part. Let's see if I can open this without dropping it. That would be ideal. Looks like there's a manual with all the setup steps and a QR code for an online guide, the cord for plugging it in, and here's some additional paper. This is more of the photo paper, I think. Now on to the main event, the PixCut S1. It's actually a perfect size, not too large and bulky. This will fit really easily on my desk and should be easy to store. So here's everything that was included in my package. Now let's get this thing set up. We're going to start off with the thing I'm most excited to use this for, sticker sheets. I want to print an autumn themed sticker sheet to use in my reading journal for a fall TBR or fall reading list. I have the digital files of these really cute autumn doodles. Let me show you guys. I got this printable on Etsy, hopefully you can see it, and we are going to turn this into our very own sticker sheet. One of the best parts about this product is it connects to a mobile app, so you can do all your printing and cutting through a wireless Bluetooth connection. So I've downloaded the Liene Photo app. I'm doing this on my iPad, but the app is also compatible with smartphones, and all we have to do to get started is I'm going to turn the machine on. Okay, I can hear it booting up. So I'm gonna press add printer, select the PixCut. My Bluetooth is turned on. I'm going to connect it in my iPad settings, go back to the app, and we're in. There's so much freedom of creation with this app. We're gonna click the plus sign to get started. I'm selecting which paper size we're gonna print on. And what's cool about this app is they have a rich template library with lots of stickers and elements to choose from already. There's also multiple creative tools for a variety of things like labels and cards. But what I really love is that it's customizable, so you can change up any of the templates they already have, or you can also just start from a blank canvas, upload your own photos, which is what we're gonna do. And instead of just putting in the whole sticker sheet here, I'm actually just gonna pull a few of the individual images so I can size them how I want them. I'm going to press upload, select my photo, and there it is. I can resize it. And I'm just gonna keep on adding these in. One really cool thing about this app is it uses AI, and one of the uses is to remove the background. So that's really handy when the photos you want to print have a background that you may not want. Coco came to visit.
Hi. Hi there. Are you excited about the sticker sheets? Yes, me too.
Okay, looks like we're all ready, so let's get printing. I'm gonna hit make it. And this is really cool because it uses AI image recognition and cutting, so it automatically identifies the image edges and where to cut. And what's even more cool is that you can actually adjust it. So if I wanted each sticker to be a square, I could choose this option. Same with these other shapes. AI freaks me out in a lot of ways, but this is really cool. And now let's watch the magic happen. This is so cool to watch. So to ensure high quality prints, this product uses thermal sublimation printing technology. And for those of you who are really into specs, it provides 300 dpi high resolution, and it's equipped with 1280 dot thermal print head and 16.7 million color width. Also, don't freak out like I did the first time I printed something. It actually prints the colors in stages, and then the last run through is for lamination. When printing is done, the machine automatically sends it to the cutting side, so it's the complete process all in one step for you. It uses a high precision intelligent cutting system, so even with these complex and not uniform patterns, you guys will see how precise the cutting is. Okay, here is our first sticker sheet. Let me show you guys a close-up so you can see how it turned out, the image quality and the cut quality. I am so excited about this. I am about to be the owner of so many stickers. I'm going to come back to these in a second because, like I said, I want to create a fall TBR spread in my reading journal. But first, let's go ahead and print the photos I want to use in my bullet journal. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that I recently took a trip to Iceland. So I wanted to create a travel spread in my journal so I could paste in some of the photos we took. So I'm going to print a few different pages with a couple photos each. And I've already measured out for the spread in my journal how big they should be. I'm going to use one of their label templates to make a title, and then I'm going to use the text function to make a little label of each place. Again, the app has so many built-in creative tools: text, graphics, borders, filters, the AI image recognition, even puzzle printing. You can use this for so much more than just your journal. The app also saves your designs or templates for easy access and reuse. So if I ever wanted to print this page again, I could just go find it in my creations. Today I'm printing everything on the white photo and sticker papers, but this machine also supports a variety of paper, including Liene's transparent and metallic adhesive bagged photo papers. Okay, here are how the Iceland stickers turned out. The photos are so vibrant, and I'm very impressed with the precise cutting around the words. This product also does photo prints. You can either print 4x6 or 4x7 inch prints. They give you lots of editing options like border, filters, enhancements. So I printed out a few of my favorite Iceland photos, and they turned out so clear and beautiful. Perfect for albums and framing. Now let's get to the really fun part. We're going to put both of these journal spreads together. Starting with my Iceland spread, I had already added a line of washi tape, which I'm going to put the photos on top of. This is easy peel adhesive backed photo paper. It doesn't leave any adhesive residue and can be reapplied, which is very important to me because you guys know I am always rearranging things in my journal. The photo paper is automatically laminated during the printing and then precision cut, so these will be durable, long-lasting stickers. I'm leaving some space on the spread for journaling about each experience in the photos. I love having pictures in my journal. It makes it so personal and fun to look back on. I think I need to start travel journaling more, especially now that I can easily make stickers out of my own photos. Now let's pull out these autumn stickers again for my reading journal spread, and I've also actually printed the book covers of all the books I have on my fall TBR. This is an absolute game changer because you guys know I print out book covers pretty much every time I make a spread in this journal. You'll notice these stickers don't smudge when I rub them on, and they're also scratch resistant, fade resistant, and even water resistant, which is amazing because this is the perfect tool for printing stickers for your water bottle or laptop. I'm probably going to print one of these fall paintings in a bigger size to stick on my water bottle. There's actually so many things I'll probably use this machine for outside my journal. A few other notable uses is you can do ID card photo or passport photo printing, and this tool also supports the cutting of cell phone back stickers, so you can print a new photo to stick on the back of most mainstream phone cases. Alright, here's the final reading journal spread. This looks so cute with the fall stickers. I am so excited for all the sticker making opportunities I just unlocked. This perfectly combines high quality photo printing with precision cutting all in one step, so I can easily now make stickers at home. If you want to get your hands on this tool as well, I have a link for you guys below in the description box. The official launch is coming soon and the product has limited inventory. It's first come first serve, so be sure to check it out now. Again, a huge thank you to Liene for sponsoring this video and sending me this product. Thank you to you guys for watching, and happy journaling.